Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade strike options on crypto.com. So first step is open up your crypto.com app and then click on this previous option from the top bar. Now from the screen, you have to click on this strikes option, and in this screen, you can simply strike option of the BTC cryptocurrency. So if you want to view this strike option in detail, you can click on this more strike option button. Then you will be able to see the similar screen. From here you can change the cryptocurrency that you want to trade the strike option for, or you can also change the duration from here. Now what you need to do is just select a strike based on your market predictions. So just select, as you, for example, Bitcoin will be above the specific amount, so that has been listed here. So if you think it's going to happen, you can simply click on yes, or if you think this not going to happen, you can click on this no button. And once you selected your prediction, it's going to open up the screen. From here you have to enter the number of contracts that you want to purchase for your strike option. Then you have to simply scroll down, and in the bottom of your screen you will find this place order button. You just have to click on it, and before you click on this place order button, you can review the details, such as what is the probability of your strike option and how much amount you are paying and the amount and fee, all of these details. Click on place order button once you have satisfied with this, and then it's going to open up this pop-up menu. From here click on this confirm, and that's it, your strike option has been placed. Now you can view your strike options by going to the order history by scrolling down. Then you will see all of your strikes option that you have currently active, so you or the that has been expired. So from here you just have to click on the strike option that you want to view, and you will see all of the contracts related to your selected strike option. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.